This is your behavioral activation diary. Each day, you'll record a few things you did and how they felt. There's no right or wrong way to fill it in. Take your time. You'll see the whole week here. Today is highlighted. You can navigate between days too. Each day has 3 parts: morning, afternoon, and evening. Click Add on whichever part you want to start with. Type a few words or choose from preset options. Then rate how the activity felt on a scale from 0 to 10. Achievement is how much it felt like a step forward. Connection is how connected you felt, to other people, to yourself, or to something meaningful. Enjoyment is how much you enjoyed it. There's no right answer. Whatever number feels honest is the right one. Your entry saves on its own. You don't need a save button. As the week fills in, you'll see a pattern note appear at the bottom. It's just there if it's useful. No pressure to look at it. That's it. A few minutes each day is plenty. Some days will feel fuller than others, and that's fine.